Hi everyone, and welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. Today I'm going to show you how I make my own glitter mist or glimmer mist. As you can see, there's glitter in this. Basically, I purchased a bunch of these spray bottles off of Amazon. I think they come 10 in a pack. They're not very expensive. And what I do is I fill each bottle with rubbing alcohol, and that seems to last a lot. These I made probably about 2 years ago, and they're still going quite well. But the alcohol seems to not evaporate quite as fast as water when they're sealed in a container. And also it keeps the glitter from clumping up, and it works really well. One of the things that I use to color mine are these Making Memory scrapbooking dies. I don't know if they're still available. You may still be able to find them on eBay or on Amazon. I'm not sure. But along these lines, you can also use food coloring. Just add a few drops of food coloring to rubbing alcohol, and that works quite nicely as well. Basically what I do is, this is powder. I just pour it in the rubbing alcohol and shake it up really well. How I get it all glittery is I use the Martha Stewart Superfine Glitter, and I try to match as close as possible the color glitter to the color of ink that I'm making. And then what I do is I write the name of it, like this is teal, and of course I don't have teal in this in the powdered pack, so this color I did make with food coloring. Here's another one, and I just write the name on it. This one's royal blue, this one's red, but this has red glitter in it, the super fine glitter, and it works really well. It comes out of the spray bottle without much trouble. But as most of us use it, we just screw off the top and then use the stick of the nozzle to kind of like shake it over our page anyway. So we don't normally, the trend is not to spray it these days. So, but I have every color and it works quite well. Some of these need to be remade, of course, because they're a couple years old. But it works really, really well, and I have not been disappointed at all. And basically, you just shake it up, and if it separates a little, you just shake it like you would have to with a bottle of Glimmer Mist or Heidi Shine or whichever. So I only have a couple of these Glimmer Mists that are store-bought, because I've made so many different colors over the years, and these work just fine, just the same basically. The only thing I noticed is that I can't, gold you have to purchase, because gold is too difficult to create, through dyes. But I just wanted to come on here and show you real quick how I do that, and it just saves a ton of money when you can make these things yourself, and it's fun too, and usable, and so I hope y'all will give it a try, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here on Thrifty Mama Scraps. Bye!